Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create a Peter Griffin in Infinity Craft. So first, grab a water, then another water to create lake. Now combine it with a earth to get a swamp. Now combine swamp with a earth, you get a mud. Now use the mud and swamp to create warmier. Now take a water and fire to create a steam. Combine steam and steam to get a cloud. Combine two clouds to get a rain. Now combine cloud with a ray to get a rainbow. Combine with a mud, you get a pick. Fire it, you get a beacon. Now take a few fires to create a volcano. Combine them together with beacon, you get a beaconator. And combine with Quimmery, and you have a Peter Griffin. And that's it. I hope it helped you, and I will see you later. Bye.